Morning, sunshine. So today is Saturday. It's about almost 8:30, I guess. But yeah, last night was more painful than the other days. Um, so I think for I think that when they do the surgery, they wrap it. The wrap keeps it um, like what is that like? It keeps it stable, and then it keeps it stable, and then I don't know, it just was hurting more yesterday. And then I spaced out, um so I didn't take the medicine last night after 2 o'clock or 3. I didn't take one until 2 o'clock in the morning. It was so painful. I had to take another one at 2, so it was spaced out every 12, what is that, 12 hours? Yeah. So yeah, it was pretty painful when I woke up. So yeah, so the medicine helps because it was like really bad. I didn't take one yet, so because I did take it like last night at 2 a.m. But I'm just sitting here and just drinking my coffee right now. And I have Miss Nevaeh over here. Yeah, so I guess day 3 it really became so sore. Yeah. Right, I just gonna finish my coffee and stuff, and then I'll get back to you guys. So it's the challenge now. It's the bath time. Yeah, I don't know. Today is just, I'm really feeling the pain today. Maybe the medicine they gave me, it lasted, but now I'm starting to feel pain in this hand again, right in here. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is use saran wrap, because like I said, the only thing I cannot do is wet the area for 2 weeks until they take my stitches out. So it's hard. Okay. Yeah, so today it's a little bit more sore. I guess the pain will start, I will start feeling the pain now. At the beginning, not too much, I didn't feel anything. But like I said, maybe all the medicine went wear off already. Because everybody's body different, I guess. And whatever they gave me at the hospital, maybe it was still, working, right? And then I have that pain medicine, but I don't take it every 6 hours now. I take it because I know I take it less now. Okay, so I got this going on for now. Saran wrap, and I feel like the bag from the hospital, hang on, I feel like this is just a big, I just thought it had a zip, a string, so it would possibly work, but I am not gonna use it. I feel like that's just ridiculous. Okay. So we got this from the grocery store. I don't know. Okay, I just know that I just gotta leave this one. I'm not gonna wash my hair. I did wash it Wednesday morning. So this is a pain in the butt. But okay, I'm just gonna see how that goes. Just gotta raise my hand. This one is hard. You think I can just raise it like this, huh? No need no bag on the outside. Okay, let's go. As for women, you won't be able to put your bra on unless someone's there to help you. So you got sports bras. So you just, those can just be pulled over. So we're gonna do this one today, I guess. I don't know, whichever one should be comfortable for me. So that was like, you don't realize that you won't be able to wash this off like until I get in there. I'm like, oh, I can't. It was kind of hard to wash this side, but that's how. But I did the best I could. Yeah, that one worked because I just held this up and try not to get it wet. So only a little bit on top there, but it worked. Just gotta keep your hand high so you won't get that wet, right? But yeah, it wasn't too bad. I had to put like my no, that looks funny because I took off my nose ring when I was in the hospital. That's why I don't have all my earrings on, because it was hard to put it back with my carpal tunnel. And then that's why. So I have all of that there. That's better. So at least that one won't close. I have all these zip rings that I got. And then it's closed now. But yeah, so that's it for the morning. Brushing teeth, if you have like a Sonicare and stuff like that, great. So we're done up here. So I've kind of, okay, alrighty. So I kind of managed to wash some dishes. I just got this on, a little bit sore, as long as I don't move this one too much. But you know, you just gotta do what you have to do, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta do it. I bought this rice pot, okay? It's not my favorite. It takes like 10 minutes to cook my rice. I don't know. It just, I show you guys. So this one, the aroma here, it's alright, but I think I want to get another rice pot. That one was really cheap, and it's so fast to cook my rice. Usually it takes at least 20 minutes to cook rice, right? But one is so much faster. I'm just gonna soak them. No, I can't. Oh, wait. I want to put hot dogs. Put this in here. I can soak those for now a little bit. And then put soap. Oh, yeah, that kind of hurt. Sorry, gang. I'm gonna try this one. I just got this one the other day. This one's good. I like the smell of it. That's the game. And we're gonna make sure it's all hot. So that's just gonna be soaking until I can get to that. Hot water is just gonna be in there. I just wanna clean the sink and make sure there's like no food inside and stuff. Yeah. So for me, I'm like a real go-getter, man. I will go and get them. You know what I'm saying? I won't pretty much. I don't like to move around and stuff. So I always gonna do what I have to do. You know, sometimes it's not easy. Things are not easy sometimes, but you know, you just gotta do it. You know, I got a lot of strength before from. I used to pray to God to give me a lot of like strength so I can handle everything in life, and pretty much. He gave it to me for real. Anywho, let's put this in here. Just get all this stuff out here. It's hot now. Look, I'm making another avocado thingy. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but look. Just gotta change the water. I would just change the water every 3 days or so. Hopefully this one never gets the top part, but yeah. I learned that in 6th grade. I know I told you guys that before, but anywho. So I won't be able to wash these right now. Just let those sit. So at least it's pretty decently clean right now. Oh, my eggs are cooked already. Also, today I was just resting, took a nap. I'm making my dinner now and it smells so good. It's bread. I love the smell of bread. It smells so good. This one is just you put everything together and you don't have to knead it. But yeah, so today was a relaxing, resting day. Yep. So dinner time is almost here. Dinner time. Dinner time. Some steak and onions. I got some corn there. I got some bread with some flaxseed inside. That is almost done. But yeah, that's my dinner tonight. I was kind of hungry. I was hungry. I got some regular, this is for Navea. Okay, so this is my flaxseed bread. It's just regular bread. It's not sourdough or anything. Yeah, that's another level. I would have to go ahead and try to learn how to do sourdough. My dress, it says stay home dress. So I'm just having my dinner. My bread is taking a bit to cool down, so I was start eating. I wouldn't start eating before the bread came out, but pretty good dinner I'm having. I'm just putting some mayo on top of the corn. And it tastes good. I just need some of those seasonings. I was watching Family Matters. Now we can binge watch things, yeah? So today was an okay day, just relaxed pretty much all day. Um, so not too bad. I have to take the bread, use one hand. It was really heavy. I never think that through. So I had to take it with one hand out of the oven. Almost fall. But this is my dinner. The steak was already chopped up, like for stir fry. And then I just bought it that way. And then I got onions and I got some brown gravy that I put into the mixture after it cooked. And it tastes really good. Guys, so this is my bread here. It has flax seeds. I just put like 2 spoonfuls, like not really a teaspoon, but so. Sorry, my hair is a mess too, but you know, I'm just at home. I'm not gonna. Okay, so I was scared to put salt in here, my bread, but it tastes good. I put 4 cups of flour and how much salt? 1 teaspoon and a little pinch of it, of salt. If I was you guys, I would start making my own bread. It's so tasty. And you know everything that's in there. It's just like I put sugar, salt, yeast, bread, and flour. And the flaxseed. It's really good. I like this, how this one came out. It's so good. You cannot get it wrong. Alrighty guys, I know I look like a mess these days, but that's just how it goes. This is real life, you know. Yeah, and I hope you guys been enjoying my videos. It's just things that I experienced I would like to share sometimes, you know. And sometimes reflect back to it later on. And, you know. So, yeah, I just hope you guys been enjoying my vlogs. And I shall see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow is Sunday. Today's Saturday. And yeah, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Probably stay home again. I'm gonna be home for 1 week and a half. So hope you guys will enjoy my vlogs. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Aloha.